Next, I would like to talk a bit about some of the other advertising and promotion options available. The most important one is TV advertising. One route to take when promoting your app is TV advertising. Many large companies take this approach. For example, Amazon created a commercial specifically for their Amazon mobile shopping app, which lets customers scan barcodes and take pictures of products to find them on Amazon store. ESPN took a similar approach as well for their Watch ESPN app. According to research from Nielsen, 40% of smartphone and tablet users use their devices while watching TV on a daily basis. A TV advertisement aimed at promoting an app targets the user at an optimum moment. But obviously, this approach can get very pricey and is normally used by brands who already do television advertising or who can budget for a commercial. If your company isn't as large as Amazon or ESPN, there are still plenty of effective ways to get your name out there. Co-promotional partnerships. You can take a hint from Shazam. They have created a mutually beneficial partnership with Bravo to promote a second screen experience for viewers of Bravo. They can use Shazam app while watching a number of Bravo shows and get access to exclusive content. Developers out there can figure out what kind of partnership would work with their app and can look into all the options available. Next, I would like to talk a bit about some successful apps that have followed the right monetization and promotion strategy and have been very successful. The first example is an app called Ocarina. The developers of that app are G. Wang and Jeff Smith. The app helped them generate $1 million in the first year of its publishing. The idea was that they were excited by the microphone input and speaker output. Their app allowed users to be expressive, musically or otherwise. Their marketing approach was that they created videos of users trying out the product, and those videos went viral on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So they used social media to advertise and market their apps in the right way. The next example I would like to give you is an app called iSteam, whose developer is Kostas Eleftheriou. This app helped him generate over $100,000 in the first 3 months of its publishing. The idea was quite similar. He took advantage of a not-so-exploited feature of iPhone, which involves blowing into the microphone and then something happens on the iPhone's screen. He later on upgraded the app and combined it with Tilt, Control, Photo Library, and Email. Excuse me. The way he marketed the app was that he made the app free for a week. He also promoted this app through YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, blogs, and news sites. During the period when this app was free, it got really famous because users wanted to try it out. So these are some of the successful app examples I wanted to talk about by individual developers. This brings us to our last section, which is final thoughts about the presentation. There is still a big problem when it comes to discoverability on the app stores, whether it's Apple's App Store, Google Play, or Microsoft's Windows Store. The app promotion industry is back on its feet and is now much more diversified. with different networks and agencies approaching the problem with different solutions. It could also be argued that the industry is more healthy given the fact that incentivized downloads generally produce low-value users. It's not perfect right now, but with the right combination of traditional promotion techniques and more specialized solutions, any budding app developer should be able to get his or her app noticed, given he has followed the right advertising approach. What happens after that is down to how good the app is, how unique the app is. Does it solve the purpose that it says it will? To conclude, I would like to say that every brand has a different marketing budget and will have a different strategy for promoting their app. The important thing is to figure out which strategy works best for your app and promote it in the most effective way possible. This will generate buzz and get people to download your app, which will eventually, with the right tools, lead to valuable and loyal customers. As you can see on the screen, there are some useful resources which will give you information and in-depth detail on various monetization strategies available. These websites will also give you some promotional techniques and will provide you some do's and don'ts, which will help you generate awareness about your apps and make them reach to the masses, locally and globally. So I would like to thank you